When McCarthy alleges that the Army is riddled with communists, then the Army says, we're going to fight those charges.
Well, the academic demands are definitely very strenuous. I mean, if you come to Salem, you're going to have homework. There's no question. But more exciting than the homework is when you go to class and you're raising your hand and you're having discussions, and that's what makes the academics really special, rather than just, oh, here's a lot of busy work in this book for you to do tonight.
At first, I was afraid to ask questions because I didn't speak good English, but they came to me first and encouraged me to ask a question. And since there's a few students in the one class, I get really close relationship with teachers, so now I'm really comfortable with being teachers, so now I can ask questions really frequently and they can help me a lot.
Good morning.
They're just amazing friends and mentors. I can talk to them about more than just the subject they're teaching, but about my life in general. They're so wise, and I really appreciate their investment in me.
Before school, after school, on the weekends, I mean, you know, we do try to make ourselves available to students.
Academically, our school is very challenging. The teachers expect a lot from you, but I think that's what makes it so great, because you're here to get an education, but you have a great support system with teachers and friends.
Cookie break is something that's very important, and in fact, one of the alums recently wrote back and she said, enjoy cookie break while you have it, because when you get to college, nobody cares enough to give you cookie break in the middle of the morning.
My third period class is fast, but it goes by slow because I'm just like, 10 more minutes until I get a cookie. Oh, I'm so excited.